Oh baby. Hey everyone, my name's Tom and today I'm just going to do a really quick unboxing video. Basically, I've been in contact with Welpy recently, who have sent me these little flat and curved adhesive mounts for a helmet. And the problem is I haven't got a new or like a good helmet. So today I'm going to open it up and take a quick look at what is inside. Not really sure what to expect, but we'll check it out. Wow. Okay. So here it is. It is the Evo Gul Pro helmet, or Gul Evo2 Pro helmet. And I had to get the large for my big head. There we go. So this one is 58 to 62 centimeters. I think my head's like 59 centimeters, so yeah, pretty big. Yeah, so this helmet is T-shock protection, EVA impact, Acculock ear protection, air vent system, and Airborne internal liner. So that's pretty good. This helmet is actually a kayaking helmet for general water sports. But I'm kind of going to use it as like a bike helmet as well, because like, why not? But yeah, I kind of wanted to get this one in particular. There we go. So that I can actually use it if I ever do go kayaking, which I would very much like to do, especially to try out the GoPro and stuff like that, and or like sailboarding and anything like that. And wow, this looks really nice. So this is it. I went for the carbon fiber effect. You can see there, it's got the gull on the side. Wow, it is super smooth. And it feels really comfortable inside. Wow. I'm gonna have to try this on in a second, but I don't know if you can like see that. It's like really velvety inside. Wow. That's a lot more comfortable than I thought. You know, like a lot of bike helmets, they've just got them little like stick-on foam pads. Pretty naff. But this is amazing. Okay, let's try it on. It probably looks stupid, but whatever. It's safe. So it fits. Wow. Wow, okay. So it does feel actually really comfortable. And it does fit my big head, so that's the important thing. I can't really hear a lot though. Sort of like the ear protection's like just drowns out the noise. Wow. It's comfortable though. Ugh. So yeah, that is the Gul Evo2 Pro helmet. I'll let you know how I get on with this after I've done like a few field tests with it. I read some of the reviews saying how like it was quite loose, even though they'd ordered one, hoping that it would be the right size. But that actually felt perfect size, so I don't really know what they're on about. Okay guys, so I hope you've enjoyed this quick video, this quick unboxing and a look at the Evo 2 helmet. Like I said, I'll let you know after I've done a few field tests with it, like whenever I use it out and about. And stay tuned to check out the Welpy helmet mounts. I'll be doing a video about attaching them to here really soon, so subscribe for that, and thanks for watching guys. See ya, bye.